Big breaking story coming in. NGT order on firecracker ban. Total ban on sale and use of firecrackers in NCR from midnight of 9th of November till 30th. I repeat, there is a total ban on sale and the use of firecrackers in Delhi NCR from tonight to the 30th. The ban is going to be reviewed after 30th of November. The NGT has also gone ahead and issued directions regarding crackers for the entire country. There's a ban in sale and use of firecrackers from 9th November to 30th of November in all the areas where the air quality index is poor, very poor and in the severe category. Anisha Mathur is joining us live for the very latest. Anisha, it is amply clear that in Delhi and Delhi NCR, there is going to be no use of firecrackers. There is a ban on firecrackers given the double whammy we are facing of rising COVID figures and the pollution levels in the air being in the hazardous category. But as far as the rest of the country is concerned, there are certain directions that have been issued. If you could just clarify what these directions are. And one more thing, what if one fails to implement this on ground, and how are the violators going to be punished under the law?
Well, Chaiti, what the NGT has done is taken note of the air quality reports from across the country. They have found that there are 122 cities in the country which have consistently had poor or worse category air quality. So in all of the areas across India, including NCR in particular, where the air quality is poor, very poor or severe category, there is a complete ban on any type of crackers from today till the 30th of November. In addition, the court has classified other cities. If these cities or towns have moderate or above, that is better quality air, then only and only green crackers can be sold or used in across India, and that even there will be a restriction on the timing of bursting crackers. You can only burst crackers for 2 hours on the day of the festival, and the Green Court has said will be not only for Diwali but also Christmas and New Year, as had been directed earlier by the Supreme Court of India when it had passed a ban on crackers and had said that there will be only green crackers. Now, to answer your question, what the NGT has said is that the chief secretaries and DGPs of all states and union territories have to issue the appropriate orders and guidelines. Enforcement has to be done by the district magistrates and superintendents of police in every city and town. The state pollution control boards and pollution control committees have also been asked to compile information, regularly monitor the air quality and ensure that crackers are not burst. And more importantly, the court has said that all states, union territories, governments, pollution control boards have to initiate special drives to contain air pollution from all sources, and not just crackers but from in view of the potential of aggravation of COVID-19. Remember, the NGT had taken up this issue, specifically noting that COVID situation can be made worse if there is more pollution in the air. And what one argument that had been made before the NGT is that Diwali is a time for celebration, that this is a means of celebration, that this will then affect people, how people can celebrate festivals. And NGT has made a very, very pointed observation that Diwali is for celebration, and celebration is of a festival, not of death and disease.
Absolutely.
So what the NGT is grave and emergent, and therefore you cannot claim that this is necessary for happiness. You cannot celebrate death and disease.
Yes.
And happiness at the cost of life of others is not something that
absolutely
is
Anisha, before I go to Manjeet as well, one clarification. In the past, we've seen such bans come in, but there's very little law enforcement on ground. Despite the bans, we've seen people go ahead and burst firecrackers with the authorities not taking due action for the violators as well. This time around, is it going to be any different?
Well, unfortunately, the NGT does not have the authority to direct the police authorities to do something. What the NGT can do, and what NGT has done, is ask the pollution control boards as well as the chief secretaries of all states to pass the appropriate orders. So effectively, remember, this is not the first time that this kind of an order has been passed. The Supreme Court had done the same thing 2 years ago in 2018 when they had said that only green crackers will be burst across the country and there should be a restriction on the timing on which by which crackers are burst, that do not burst crackers for more than 2 hours in the day. So it is now for the state governments, for the union territory governments, for the police in every state and union territory to make sure that the people of the country actually follow these directions. And more than the government, it is for the people of the country to remember that just because it is a festival does not give you the license to pollute the air.
So that means the onus now falls on the various state governments to ensure the implementation of this order passed by the NGT. And in case of Delhi, the police, of course, falls under the central government. Then the onus definitely, I'm guessing, will fall on the central government to ensure this doesn't happen. Stay with us right there, Anisha. Coming back to you in just about a bit. Manjeet Sehgal is also standing by. He's joining us from Chandigarh, I'm being told. Manjeet, there needs to be an implementation now, given the fact that this particular order and the directions that have been issued by the National Green Tribunal is regarding crackers for the entire country. As far as Haryana is concerned as well, as far as Punjab is concerned, the adjoining areas of Delhi NCR is concerned, there is pollution levels are on the rise. Haryana government even took a U-turn and said, okay, green crackers can be allowed. But in light of these directions, what are you picking up for Punjab and Haryana?
Well, Chaiti, as far as the Punjab is concerned, no directions have been issued by the Punjab, but Haryana government has allowed bursting of crackers between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. But there are no directions on whether to burn the green crackers or the normal crackers, though the Haryana government had already banned storage and possession of the Chinese crackers, but still there are no directions whether the Haryana government will be allowing all type of crackers or not. But as far as the NGT order is concerned, now it will be binding on all the states to implement it in blood and soul. So as far as the number of cases of stubble burning in Punjab and Haryana is concerned, they are going up. More than 60,000 cases have been reported during this season in Punjab alone. This is 3 times higher than the 3 previous years. And the state government has failed to check this stubble burning, which is adding to the woes of not only the NCR region people, but also to the local people. Nearly a dozen accidents took place because of this smoke on the roads. And a woman was burnt alive yesterday in Punjab. And there is similar is a condition in Haryana as well. The state government...
Hold on right there with us. Ashutosh Mishra is also joining us. Ashutosh, total ban on the use and sale of firecrackers in Delhi NCR. Now, to put this particular order contextually for those who will criticize this order and say this is Diwali and we need to celebrate, why don't you give us a reality check of 2 things? One, the pandemic and how Delhi is in the 3rd wave, with the health minister even going on to say that this has been the worst since the outbreak. And secondly, what the AQI levels look like in hazardous category at the moment.
So, responding to your first question, that where there will be a criticism, the day Delhi government orders ban on crackers, including the green crackers, it was first the opposition party, that BJP came out on street. Leaders like Vijay Goyal of the BJP, they also going ahead and saying that this is against the culture, this is, against a festival, a kind of tradition that is being imposed by the government. So clearly we have, certain these type of critics as well, who are completely against such order. As far as AQI in Delhi and overall quality is concerned, here the Safar app says that AQI overall in Delhi is 508, and that makes Delhi in worst category, in a severe category. As far as NCR is concerned, if you just roam around the outskirts of Delhi, the bordering areas of Noida, Faridabad, Gurgaon, the visibility will be even less than 500. What I remember last year, next morning of Diwali, there was hardly anything visible.
Yes.
Everyone were coughing, throats were choking. So we know the impact of crackers burning that take place. And even after the banning, there are different ceremonies happening, marriage ceremonies are happening. People are hardly even bothered to, to follow these orders that government it's not even imposing. It is for our own safety and security. And when NGT, there was also ban on crackers even last year. But you do remember how there was massive violation of such orders. So this year is going to be another challenging, particularly when the entire country is suffering through COVID. And as far as national capital is concerned, we are seeing the numbers breaching 6,000, 7,000 every day. And even the Delhi Health Minister says it is a double attack on Delhi. If these people continue to defy the orders, the situation really going to be worse in coming days.
Oh, yes, absolutely. You said it, Ashutosh, right there. This gives a better perspective on the ground reality and the situation that Delhi and Delhi NCR is battling as far as COVID is concerned, as far as the pollution levels are concerned. And this particular NGT order now says a complete ban on firecrackers this Diwali until 30th of November. And directions have been issued for the rest of the countries as well. Let's walk you through the Green Court's cracker of a ban at the moment, as we'd like to call it. As far as Delhi NCR is concerned, as Anisha and Ashutosh were just mentioning, there's a total ban on the use of firecrackers. It starts tonight, viewers. That is November 9th, from midnight onwards till 30th of November. You cannot use firecrackers, not even the green firecrackers. As far as Pan India is concerned, the ban is as per the need only when the air quality index or the AQI plummets. So you can use green crackers in case you don't fall in the severe or the very severe category as the directions are given. It is allowed, but if the AQI plummets, then obviously there will be a revised direction given. Where the AQI was bad last year, as far as the cracker window is concerned, you can burst it only for 2 hours where the air quality is good. So state by state, there will be directions that will be coming in from the respective state governments as well.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.